We go continue to see say peace matter Tanda put for Edo State. Now OBASEKI na im yarn this one, and this ogbonge informate so now on top inside Edo today. As Edo State Governor Godwin OBASEKI don talk and say im government go continue to see say better peace it Tanda put for the state as them dey put body well to see say the katakata wey dey shele for Edo State APC is stop. OBASEKI tok dis one wen e dey answer di advice wey Presido of Catholic Bishop Conference for Naija, wey come still be di Archbishop of Benin Archdiocese, dat na Most Reverend Dr. Augustine Akubeze, as e tell Governor OBASEKI say make e settle di matter wey he and former Edo State Governor, wey still be di National Chairman of APC, Comrade Adam Oshiomhole, wey dem get. Governor OBASEKI bin follow ogbonge pipo, family and friend of Edo Deputy Governor Right Honourable Philip Shaibu to take jollificate as e knack 50 years, and he tok dis one for Deputy Governor 50th birthday Thanksgiving, the one wey shele for St. Paul Catholic Church wey dey Benin City, Edo State.
I want to assure the church, your grace, that we take every word, everything you say, very, very seriously.
Archbishop Augustine Akubeze come beg Governor Godwin OBASEKI and former Edo State Governor Comrade Adam Oshiomhole say make dem find better way to take stop the katakata wey dey shele for the party for Edo State, as this one no go let the state grow well. E come talk say make dem stop the suspension matter, the one wey dem dey do for leaders of the party, as e be say some people dey happy well say this katakata dey shele, and this kind thing e dey make state deve dey waka go down.
To the people of Edo State, to our political leaders in Edo State, especially the APC, at all levels, I say, beat your swords into pruning hooks. Let there be an end to the various factions and suspensions of leaders. Our leaders must know that they owe it to the electorate to speak and comport themselves as elders whom we look up to. OBASEKI and former Governor of Edo State, Comrade Adam Oshiomhole, to break down the walls of division and come together to work for the good of the people of Edo State. Some people benefit from crisis and conflict among leaders. They fuel and fan little differences into flame. We want you, our political leaders, to render crisis makers jobless in Edo State. We want you to make troublemakers unemployed. We want you to render those who pitch one ethnic group against another jobless.
Edo State Governor Godwin OBASEKI come talk say in dey lis ten well to wetin Archbishop dey talk, as e be say the last time wey im bin come the church na for former APC National Chairman birthday, dat na Chief John Odige Oyegun, when im bin knack 80 years. He talk say Archbishop bin follow and talk that time say make e do peace matter well, and na this one na im make am carry im cabinet and political party people dem for Edo go Iyamo unto say e wan see say better peace e Tanda well. OBASEKI talk say the matter don dey waka go 6 months wey e dey ground, and e no easy to fit change person mind, as e be say na current champion na im dem dey see, dem no dey see permanent champion.
The last time I was in this church standing on this altar was during the 80th birthday celebration of our father and leader, Chief John Odige, where in your sermon you raised certain concerns. To tell you how seriously we take the news, that night I went to Iyamo with members of our party, some members of cabinet, to pursue peace. The problem that I have today is that as children of God, we rest on certain fundamental beliefs, and it's difficult to change them. If we 10 years, 12 years ago said no man is God, or no man of any single individual in our politics, that same principle stands today, 12 years after. I will not change it. We know we have been in this situation for more than 6 months. It's very difficult to change people's views in life. You can only have a
e tok say e no easy for Edo State APC member to gree say make godfatherism dey, as e be say dem don tok am before for 12 years wey waka pass, say godfatherism e no make sense. E con tok say im go continue to see say beta peace e dey ground for Edo State. Vacancy governor con tell di church pipo dem say make dem follow am tok to Edo State House of Assembly members dem wey neva resume work, say make dem waka come back come start di work wey Edo pipo wey dey give dem do.
Very difficult. So we will continue to pray, we will continue to seek for peace. We implore all of you, the church, to help us beg the 14 members of Assembly, House of Assembly, who we voted for more than 6 months ago, to come and resume work in the House of Assembly. There's nothing stopping them. We will continue to appeal to them, we will ask you to appeal to them that all we seek for Edo people is progress.
Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honourable Philip Shaibu and Secretary to Edo State Government Osarodion Ogi Esquire na dem come beg di church say make dem sef follow join government on top prayer matter to see say peace waka well for di state, as dis one na why dem Tanda gidigba put for di office to carry Edo pipo waka far.
Please don't forget to always put me and everyone and all of us in prayers. You know, Buhari said when you fight corruption, corruption will fight back. We need well for Edo State. This government need well for Edo State. We need your prayers to be able to actualize those things we want to do for our people. We are just here for service, and by the grace of God, with your prayer and your support, we will get there. Thank you, and God bless you.
Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today, as Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn am say dem for im administration dem go continue to see say better peace Tanda gidigba put for Edo State, and e yarn dis one for Catholic Church, the one wey dey Benin City, that na St. Paul Catholic Church, as dem dey jollificate on top Edo State Deputy Governor birthday as im knack 50 years. Make una come sabi say dis ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, and our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.